Shubhajit Goshal, and today I'll show you how to make dry chili chicken. Let's see what are the ingredients required. So first, for the marination we need egg, then the corn flour. We have taken all-purpose flour. We have taken 300 grams of chicken without bones. We have salt, vinegar, ginger garlic paste and soya sauce. So these are the things required for the marination. And for the gravy we need tomato sauce. We have taken onions, we have taken capsicum, we have taken green chili, chopped garlic, chopped ginger, chopped spring onions. So let's see how we can marinate the chicken. So we'll put the chicken pieces here. Along with the chicken, I'll put some salt over it. We'll put the ginger garlic paste. We'll put some vinegar. Put some soya sauce. Then we'll put the egg. We have taken half of the egg because we don't know the entire egg, and we'll mix it. So now I'll put the refined flour and the corn flour, and we'll mix the chicken again so that we can get the coating consistency. So we have to mix it properly, and we have to keep it for 15 minutes for the marination. So we have taken refined oil. So we will fry the chicken one by one like this. So we'll put the chicken in the pan and we have to fry it. So we can see that the chickens are already ready. So in this way I have already fried the rest of the chicken. So you can see. So once I take it out from the pan, we will proceed for the next step. So we have taken some oil, and always make sure whenever you are doing the Chinese cooking, your range should be in high flame. So our oil is hot, so we are going to put the ingredients one by one. So first I am putting the capsicum, followed by onions, garlic, ginger, and some green chilies. So I will fry it in. We'll add some salt to it. We'll put the chicken which I fried and directly put it to the pan. Now we are going to add the salt if it is required, otherwise we'll proceed for the sauce. So I'm putting the tomato ketchup, soya sauce. I'm using dark soya sauce, you can use light soya sauce too, and some vinegar. So we can see that the chili chicken is almost ready. So we'll give it a time for 1 minute and then we'll plate it. So our chili chicken is ready and served. So if you like the recipe, then please like, share my recipes and stay tuned for the next recipe. Thank you.